HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transport Protocol, and you can see these letters in the address bar of your web browser and telling you that your data is being transferred in a secure way. The Hypertext Transport Protocol is a server software that provides security to the World Wide Web transactions, and in the URL of your web browser you will see HTTPS instead of only HTTP if the web page in which you are using this software or protocol. This is possible thanks to a protocol known as SSL, or Secure Socket Layer, that is the technology which allows the safe transfer of information through the computer networks, or in other words, protect the online communication. When a browser encounters SSL, a series of steps take place. First, the browser will try to connect to a site secured with SSL. Then the browser requests to the server to identify itself, and in order to do this, the server will send to the browser a copy of its certificate, that is the SSL certificate. With this certificate, the browser will check whether it trusts in the SSL certificate, and if it does, it will send a message to the server. Then the server will send back a digitally signed acknowledgement to start an SSL session, which will be encrypted, as well as the data that will be shared between the browser and the server. After all these steps, is when it will appear in the address bar of the web browser the HTTPS prefix. The protocol helps users protect data during transfer by creating a unique encrypted channel for private communications over the public internet. Each SSL certificate consists of a key pair as well as verified identification information, which is shared by the server with the client to establish an encryption method and a unique session key. Then, the client confirms that it recognizes and trusts the issuer of the SSL certificate. This process is known as the SSL handshake, and it begins a secure session that protects message privacy, message integrity, and server security. There are 3 ways to authenticate SSL certificates. The first is through domain validation, and is where contact information is listed under the website's domain. The second is through organizational validation, where data regarding the business operating the website, including physical and web addresses, will be examined, and the extended validation that provides the most complete security validation. And thirdly is through sign of the extended validation, is the appearance of green text on the address bar.